Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through how to use our medical power of attorney forms. Firstly, what is a medical power of attorney form? A medical power of attorney form is a legal document granting authority to a trusted individual, known as an agent or healthcare proxy, to make medical decisions on your patient's behalf if they cannot communicate or make decisions themselves. This form ensures that the patient's medical preferences and wishes are respected even when you cannot express them directly. The medical power of attorney form is essential for designating someone your patient trusts to make healthcare choices aligned with their values and beliefs. It's particularly crucial when the patient might be incapacitated due to illness or injury and cannot provide informed consent. To use our free medical power of attorney form, follow these steps. Download our medical power of attorney form from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, explain how it works. Discuss how the template works with your patient. Make sure to answer any questions they may have before proceeding to the next steps. Patient completes the form. Ask the patient to fill in the necessary information, including their name, the agent's name, medical decisions the agent can make, and any special instructions. Tell your patient to sign the form to authorize their chosen agent. This signature indicates that they willingly grant their agent the authority to act on their behalf in medical matters. Keep a copy of the completed form for your records. Here is a sample of our medical power of attorney form, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our medical power of attorney form, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.